This is our Beyond Osmo Plus 5-patient teeth whitening kit. The Osmo Plus is a continuation of our Osmo series. The original Osmo kit was a 6% hydrogen peroxide mix. We chose 6% because that was a restriction for certain regions that we would sell to. But due to customer demand, we decided to also introduce a 12%. A 12% hydrogen peroxide mix will have slightly stronger results than what you will see with a 6%. In addition, the Osmo 12% or the Osmo Plus as well as the Osmo, both are made to be used without gingival protection. The Beyond Osmo Plus kit has 5 of these dual barrel syringes, as you can see here with the foil. You have 5 of Beyond Osmo pins. We have our whitening kit instructions. Vita shade guides. Face protection cloth, as well as aftercare cards. We hope you get to enjoy our new product.